I'm Rich Noonan from Best of the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found EGT Solar, a fantastic company in Idaho, known for designing and installing some of the best solar systems in the country. EGT is truly a local company, well known for honesty, integrity, and innovation. If you've been considering solar, there's never been a better time, and in Idaho, EGT is the company to call, according to our research. Congratulations to the owner, a great guy named Brian Lawley, and the incredible team that Brian values so much at EGT Solar in Meridian, Idaho, on this national honor from Best to the Best, and for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship and saving their residential, commercial, and agricultural clients a whole lot of money since 2009, when these guys started this business from nothing. Brian had no idea that we were doing this video. At Best of the Best, we never tell company owners that we are profiling their company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of EGT Solar. This is a pretty special company, and they're really different from most in the solar industry, which we've looked at hard. At EGT Solar, you're dealing with local full-time people, never subcontractors. Brian and his team would never put the hard sell on anyone. These folks truly believe in solar. They have a passion for it. They know it makes a lot of sense, and they love to educate people about the benefits of solar, which never means putting a pushy door-to-door salespeople at your front door. They have a showroom on North Main Street in Meridian, Idaho. Even having a showroom is rare in the solar industry. The pandemic showed all of us that our homes are our sanctuaries, and having a solar system that allows you to generate your own power no matter what's going on outside your home is simply awesome for lots of reasons. Idaho is one of the best states in America for solar because it has so many sunny days. There are incredible financing and tax incentives right now, and EGT Solar has a long list of very happy customers. Brian appears in some really nicely done videos on the EGT website that you should watch. He clearly explains why solar makes so much sense on every level right now. Watch those videos. You could just see Brian's passion for solar. All of that is great, but remember, at Best of the Best, as much as we love well-done videos produced by companies, great branding, websites like EGT has, we care most about our independent research and what real customers say in recent reviews. The reviews about EGT Solar on every credible review site out there, including Google, Guild Quality, Solar Reviews, and others, are among the best we've ever seen. So many reviewers mentioned that they did their homework. They talked to multiple solar companies, but chose EGT, and they're darn glad they did. Clients rave about the no-pressure sales, the great financing offers, the professionalism of Brian and the installation team, the incredible performance of their EGT solar arrays once they've been installed. And most importantly to us, customers love the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at EGT Solar. These are really good people who you can trust. When we profiled EGT Solar for this video in 2023, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints. They'd been named to Inc. 5000's fastest growing companies list. EGT Solar was also awarded the Panasonic 2022 Residential Installer of the Year Award for the Mountain North region. You get the idea. People in this industry know all about how great EGT Solar is. Congratulations to everyone at EGT Solar, a great American local Idaho business, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.